Blind spots behind trucks, hidden obstacles when reversing, kids' toys left in driveways, tight parking spaces. Backing up safely is one of the most challenging and dangerous maneuvers drivers face daily. We've tested the best backup cameras for cars and trucks, from wireless systems to hardwired installations and magnetic trailer hitch cameras, to find which ones deliver clear visibility, reliable performance, and genuine safety improvements. If you're interested in any of the products mentioned in this video, you'll find the links in the description below. Number 5. Autovox CS2. Amazon popularity doesn't always translate to real-world performance, a lesson this wireless backup camera unfortunately teaches. Despite strong sales numbers, the reality revealed significant compromises that undermine backup safety. The wireless installation promise initially appeals. No running cables, no drilling, simplified setup. In practice, wireless transmission proved unreliable, struggling to maintain consistent connection. Worse, noticeable lag appears between what the camera captures and screen display, critical when you need real-time awareness. Split-second delays become safety concerns when children, pets, or obstacles enter your path. Image quality disappointed across all conditions. Daytime clarity falls short of competitors, while nighttime performance struggles significantly when enhanced visibility matters most. The budget-friendly pricing initially seems attractive, but value requires functional performance. Affordability means little when the system frustrates. Once installed, it functions at a basic level. But the journey there, combined with ongoing performance limitations, doesn't justify savings over slightly more expensive options that deliver reliable service. For drivers seeking wireless convenience, better alternatives exist at marginally higher prices. This represents the risk of choosing purely on popularity metrics rather than verified performance. Number 4. Likulu LK3. Installation anxiety stops many drivers from upgrading to backup cameras. The thought of drilling, wiring, and complex setup feels overwhelming. This system eliminates that barrier with genuinely straightforward plug-and-play installation anyone can handle in under an hour. The setup is refreshingly simple. Run the 30-foot camera cable from your trunk through the cabin, plug it into the display, then power the display via your 12-volt cigarette lighter. That's it. No drilling, no permanent modifications, no professional installation. The cable length accommodates most cars, SUVs, and standard pickups, though exceptionally long vehicles might find the reach limiting. Image quality won't win awards, resolution sits modest, and nighttime performance lacks premium crispness. But here's what matters. You can clearly see obstacles, pedestrians, and hazards when reversing. The hardwired connection delivers one crucial advantage: zero lag between what the camera captures and what appears on your display. This won't impress tech enthusiasts seeking 4K resolution. What it delivers is accessible backup camera functionality for drivers intimidated by complex installations or unwilling to pay professional fees. For budget-conscious drivers prioritizing ease of installation and functional visibility over premium image quality, this removes barriers to safer reversing. Number 3. Garmin BC40. Ecosystem dependency defines this backup camera's value proposition. Garmin leverages its navigation expertise into backup safety, but only for those already invested in, or willing to invest in, their GPS ecosystem. The catch appears immediately. This camera requires a compatible Garmin navigation unit to function. There's no standalone display included. If you already own a compatible Garmin GPS like the DriveSmart series, adding this camera makes perfect sense. Seamless integration, wireless operation between camera and display, unified interface. If you don't, you're purchasing both a backup camera and an entire GPS navigation system, potentially overkill when smartphones handle navigation for most drivers. For existing Garmin users, the benefits are genuine. The wireless connection between camera and display eliminates cable runs through your cabin, though the camera itself requires hardwired 12-volt power from reverse lights or similar source. Daytime image quality impresses with excellent clarity and a remarkable near 180-degree field of view. You see everything behind your vehicle plane with minimal blind spots. Signal lag is virtually non-existent despite wireless transmission. The critical limitation emerges at night. Lens flare from headlights and streetlights severely compromises visibility, washing out the image precisely when enhanced vision matters most. For committed Garmin navigation users, this integrates beautifully. For everyone else, the required GPS investment and nighttime performance concerns make standalone backup cameras more practical. Number 2. E-Way Wi-Fi Magnetic Hitch Wireless. Specialized solutions serve specific needs exceptionally well, even if impractical for general use. This magnetic, fully wireless camera targets trailer towers, RV owners, and anyone needing temporary backup vision without permanent installations. The cable-free design is the defining advantage. Magnetic mounting attaches instantly to metal surfaces on trailers, hitches, or RVs. An internal rechargeable battery powers the system via USB-C, while local Wi-Fi broadcasts the feed to your smartphone. No hardwiring, no professional installation. For vintage trailers and older RVs, this retrofits backup visibility without drilling. The convenience comes with workflow compromises. Each use requires attaching the camera, ensuring battery charge, and manually connecting your phone to the camera's Wi-Fi hotspot. App setup adds confusion. Unclear instructions make finding the correct smartphone app frustrating. Image quality disappoints compared to hardwired systems, though the wide-angle lens compensates with comprehensive field coverage. This isn't an everyday car backup camera, it's a specialized towing tool. For weekend warriors hauling boats, campers towing vintage Airstreams, or RV enthusiasts wanting backup vision without permanent installation, this delivers portable, temporary visibility. Accept the setup routine as the trade-off for wireless flexibility. Number 1. Wolfbox G840S. Maximum capability meets comprehensive features in a system that reimagines backup cameras. This isn't just rear visibility, it's complete front and rear documentation and parking protection in one package. The massive 12-inch display replaces your rearview mirror, functioning as a traditional mirror when inactive. Engage reverse and it transforms into a high-definition screen showing crystal-clear 1080p rear camera feed, or split screen displaying both 4K front dashcam and rear camera. You control what you see based on immediate needs. Image quality excels day and night. Excellent low-light performance means confident nighttime reversing, while minimal lens flaring maintains clarity. The high-quality display showcases that sensor capability with genuinely clear video. Recording functionality elevates this beyond basic backup assistance. Continuous loop recording documents driving, gyro-based automatic recording captures incidents, and time-lapse parking monitor snaps photos while you're away. Both cameras record simultaneously. Installation requires hardwired camera power and running a 20-foot video cable to the mirror display, which powers via cigarette lighter. Wired connections eliminate lag and maximize image quality. For drivers wanting the absolute best image quality, integrated dashcam protection, and comprehensive recording features in one system, this represents premium backup camera engineering. So, there you have it. 5 exceptional backup cameras that enhance safety and eliminate blind spots. If this video helped you choose the perfect backup camera for your vehicle, hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more automotive safety reviews and installation guides. Thanks for watching, and here's to safer reversing.